Good evening, English 1A. I'm going to show you how to use VoiceThread. VoiceThread is a way for you to hear each other as well as respond to textual messages. So in learning modules, week 2, you have explanations, you have explanation demos, you have a quiz, you have an assignment. I'll devote other demos to those. For right now, it's VoiceThread. This is a continuation of your discussion board from last week. So go into your discussion board, find your original post. In this case, I'm going to go in, I'm going to find my original post. I'm going to copy it. Copy. Then I'm going to go to VoiceThread. That is within the module. Week 2. You see the table of contents when it opens up. You go down to VoiceThread, click the link. You get this window. VoiceThread peer interview, because you have to interview someone for the profile paper. You might as well practice on each other. Now, you're going to take the original post. If you need to see this bigger, you can always magnify it and you can move it around. It's just a picture so that it will remain in place as the prompt right here. The idea is that first, I'll explain from here, you find your original college life discussion, like I just did, and I went over here and I pasted it right in there. How do you do that? You click on this toolbar, you get ABC. You paste in your original post, you save it, it shows up over here. Now I already have one, so I don't need two. Once you have pasted your original post, just like that by the numbers, then you go in, as the directions indicate, and again, you can always go in here and magnify the next step, choose your textual thread, paste it, then pick the microphone icon. Now it's going to allow you to let the computer to take hold of your microphone, and you let it and you start recording the very same original post. This might seem repetitious. The next step is where it changes. So you stop that recording, you save it, it goes over here, just as I did originally. You have, and you let it, and you. I'm going to delete it because I already recorded my original post. A little enthusiastically, but I'm trying to show you how this can be fun, especially if we want to establish some community and hear how each other sound and get to know each other a little better. In fact, you can go up here on the Blackboard homepage, go over to where your name is up here, click on your profile. You can go over here to settings and privacy, and you can upload a picture of yourself, and that picture will show up on any of the interactive features like VoiceThread and like the discussion board, as mine is right there. So back to VoiceThread. Once you have pasted your intro and then recorded your intro, simply go back in. Might seem simple to me, huh? Go in again, hit the microphone icon, and following this prompt, that is, you want to make up some questions, compile your own questions based on what the person, this is an objective student from the last semester's post so that you see someone other than me, make up some questions about that post, specific questions that get deeper into what the person's about, and hopefully inform each of your knowledge of each other. Then you stop recording, you save it, Now, presumably it will have a different picture, or if not, it will at least have your initials, as you see from a former course. Once you get back in there, then you will have here the interview questions for someone's original post. Now, I would hope that the process is reciprocal, and that is that someone interviewed you, you return the favor, go in here, find someone's original post over here from the discussion board, someone you may already have responded to, and I don't care if you copy and paste the very same response, or what would be better, since this is about interviewing, is for you to make up some questions that go beyond your original reply to someone and record them in here. The discussion board. And again, I could record the instructions right here, but without trying to confuse you, I simply want you to paste your original post, record your original post, respond to someone with some interview questions, and then have someone respond to you. So that might seem easier said than done. I'm telling you, it's all doable. And so I'll be making another one just to make sure that everyone is up to speed. But for right now, for this week, I want you to engage in this process of interviewing each other verbally, but first posting textually and verbally what you originally posted in the College Life discussion board. Thank you very much. I'll be right with you.